What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna try to do my own glass cockpit for my boat using Samsung's tablet. We can talk a little bit about the concept of what I was aiming for and just take it from there. So let's check it out. Approximately a little less than 8 millimeters. That's the tablet going over there. Asymmetrical profile, aluminum profile. With access for a screwdriver to be able to connect that to a backplate, something like that. Before I head down to the stores, I just want to head out to the boat and check that this will fit pretty nice. Let's head down to the boat real quick and then head out to the store. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Having them like this, move to this one here, covering a little bit on my radar screen there, but perhaps I should have them a little bit more like this, like that. Could work, be good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead with this project. I'm more or less like this, and also I need to bring my radar screen and just to see how much that will cover it. I don't think it's a problem though. I don't think it's a problem. And I'm able to see my instruments as well on the other side. Alright guys, let's head to the store, see what we can find, build those brackets, and then we'll come back here, bring that radar screen, set it all up, and then find out a way how to secure this into the boat without drilling too many holes and so on. Guys, so I got my tablet here. I got my new aluminum profiles. I opted for this design. Pretty cool. Think it's gonna be a nice pattern for the back plate. Have some super tape to put this together. Let's see if this is actually. Yeah. So I'm not sure if I have enough to make 2 of these. Probably not. So let's start with one. Can do the other one next time. So I'm gonna do that. Glue this together. Need to cut this one to the correct size. Thinking of using this interior like vinyl stuff. See, now it's pretty thick. But I had to have that as protection for the tablet. So let's start with testing that. See if that will work. Thinking of using this to glue it on. I don't know if that's gonna work. Right. Start cutting stuff. Cutting the profiles. Gonna to use a blade. So let's start measuring this out. Test this if this will fit inside here and still leave room for the tablet. Quite questionable if that will work, but let's find something else instead. So let's cut everything. I need to bend this one as well. So I have a bending tool, cut the profile. Yeah, so let's get going. Yes, unfortunately this with the vinyl thing didn't work. It's too tight. The glue is not working. I'm gonna rethink this, and I'm actually thinking about using soft side of a Velcro. Already tried that on one piece, and that looks so much better and just really nice, slides on and off there perfectly. So I'm gonna do that on the rest of the parts and then assemble this. Alright guys, we're back at the boat, gonna test this out. Put some Velcro on this one because I actually have the carpet up on my helm. So I'm gonna try that out. I think it's gonna be pretty flexible in terms of moving this around, finding good angle for it. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna set up my radar screen here as well. It's a little bit old, but hey, still does the job. I'm gonna compare that and just to find a nice layout for this new glass cockpit, if you want to call it like that. Alright guys, got the radar up and running. I'm gonna take my new bracket here with the Velcro. As you can see, there's a carpet down here on the helm, and I can just stick it there and have just an awesome experience. I'm having a chart here, so this could be a setup if I'm doing everything on board, and then I can also just move this. I have a navigator sitting there and have access to it, so still see my instruments and my radar, and I have my new bracket. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave some comments, and please subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you in the next one.